What's up, y'all? So I'm coming here today to post my very first unboxing tutorial. I went on Amazon and I purchased a makeup case because I don't have one. I just been filling up what little makeup I do have into a bag and it just gets all messy and unorganized. So I decided to go ahead and purchase one. I think my friend had this same exact case and she told me she got it from Amazon, so that's where I got it from. It came super fast. I didn't expect it to come that fast because I did the free shipping option or whatever, and I don't have Prime, but it came really fast. I want to say I ordered it like somewhere from Sunday to Tuesday, and it came on Friday, yesterday. So I waited until today, Saturday night, like 12 in the morning, and I'm about to do this unboxing tutorial for you guys and show y'all what it's looking like. I'm super excited because I just have this like storage bin and I just been filling all my hair stuff in it, and this corner is just not looking cute. So I'm about to put my makeup case right here and get it right, and I'll show y'all a little before and after, try to insert it in this video so you guys can see. But yeah, let's get right into it. Y'all see my shirt? Okay. This is the box. This is the Sorbus Cosmetic organizer case, and it's pink, as you can see right there. And I'm about to pop this bad boy open. Got my scissors. Let's do it.
This is what it looks like as soon as I open it up.
And I saw some YouTube, it has styrofoam around edges, so that's good. I saw some other YouTube tutorials on this makeup case, but they weren't the pink ones, they had like the clear ones. And then a lot of people just got like, I think it's just like the medium size, but I got the one with the top shells on it, like this. So this is the part that goes on the top. Looks nice so far. I don't really see any scratches or anything like that.
Alright, and then it just has like two styrofoam pieces right there, protecting it. Almost there.
Okay, got it out. This is what it looks like. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay. It's a good size. Like, this is a decent size. I'm about to take this plastic off. I have styrofoam stuff all over me. It looks so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm breaking stuff already. Okay. Be careful when you're opening it. Note to self. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I have to pick the pieces up that just fell on the floor. Okay, well, well, I'll tell you guys one thing. It's definitely super sturdy because one second. Okay, this is what it looks like outside of the plastic. I'm loving it so far. It comes with like these black material things, and I guess this is to stop like whatever products you're holding in here from slipping and sliding around. So that's really nice. I really like that. And this is the top part.
Super fresh, like it's like there's like glue and stuff still in there. But so this part just goes on top like that and stays in there. Pretty good.
I don't have a lot of makeup at all, so my goal is to eventually fill this baby all the way up. It has lots of space in it. I'm gonna pull out one of the drawers. It has a lot of space in it. Like this is just one of the small size drawers. And once again, I just love this little piece, like, and it's so soft. This is just one of the drawers, and that's the small drawer. And makeup doesn't tend to take up that much space, like products and stuff like that. Like, I'm sure this could fit a really good amount of lip glosses for your lips. So yeah, you can put like your little lipsticks here, I guess foundations and stuff here. And this is what it looks like. It's a really good size. I'm super excited. Okay, so I'm going to get this as set up and as neat and as nice as I can possibly get it. Okay, y'all, so I was very serious when I said I did not have a lot of makeup. So I have so much room in here to where I can fill this thing up. Like, I have two in a small drawer still. I put my eyelash stuff right here. I put a few lip glosses here that I have. I literally just put makeup wipes there because I just wanted to fill the space up. And some eyebrow stuff here. I put some of these lippies right there, and I think I'm going to move these brushes. They fit perfectly up there, but I think I'm just gonna get like a little case to put them on the side, like right there. I love my makeup case. It is perfect. I have so much room in there where I can fill it up and put more stuff in there. So that is my goal and my mission for 2018, to fill up my makeup case. I'm gonna post the link in the description box, and just like some more details about the makeup case, like the price and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. It fits perfectly in my corner, and I can't wait to show you guys like when I really pack it all up, because I know there's so much room in there for so many more products. I'm super excited, and yeah, it just looks so cute. It just completes my bathroom. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That is all for this tutorial. See you guys later.